Here's 5 lessons, 5 things you got to get figured out. Number 1, I talk about this all the time. I can't talk about it enough. You need to know your market. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this one in detail, okay? If you're investing in Houston, Texas, that is different than 4 hours away in New Orleans, Louisiana, okay? You travel over to Shreveport, it's different again, 3 hours away. If you move down the coast to Mobile, that's different than if you're investing in Daphne, Alabama. And if you move over to Savannah, a little further east, that's different than Atlanta. And Atlanta, by the way, is different than Tampa. Tampa's different than Orlando. Orlando's different than Miami. If I go back up the coast to Daytona, I own property in all these markets. It's different there as well. Number 2, never invest in one door. The one door syndrome. Do not do this. If it's got 1 door, 2 doors, 4 doors, 6 doors, 8 doors, run. I don't care how good the loan is. All y'all get so seduced by, oh, the loan, I don't have to put any money down. No money down should be a cause of concern. Number 3, you need to know your debt partner when you do the deal. Your bank is your partner. The only time the bank is not your partner is when you're leaving money in their bank. Then they're the thief in the day and the night. Y'all worry about the thief at night. You need to worry about the thief during the daytime. That guy's stealing from you all day long. Number 4, calculate your returns over years, okay? Let me just do this. Calculate returns over years. Not months. I see so many people make this mistake. Ron, how many people do we have? I'm gonna make $300 a month on my deal. It's like 30%. 1 month does not make a deal. And number 5, I'm gonna put it right here. Number 5, how you gonna go? How you gonna go? How you gonna leave? Okay, how you gonna leave? I'm gonna come back and talk about all 5 of these today. Look, I know who my buyer is when I buy a deal. When I buy a deal, I know who I'm gonna sell that deal to and who my next buyer is gonna be. I even know how much they're gonna pay me. Stay with me. You're in the Cardone zone. Thanks for watching the show today. If you want to invest with us at Cardone Capital, non-accredited and accredited, go to cardonecapital.com, cardonecapital.com. Accreditation. We are open for business right now. We got 2 big, massive deals that we're about to announce. Get in now. First come, first serve. Non-accredited. I'll be able to make an announcement to you in about 45 days that we're good to go. Thanks for watching.